A very good morning to you children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying indoors only to keep yourselves safe. So today we are going to do one very interesting activity in which you require certain material, and I'm sure you are definitely going to enjoy this activity also, and along with that this activity will be increasing your general knowledge also. So let me tell you first the material that you require for this activity. First of all, that you need is an A4 size sheet. Okay, then you need some colored sheets, which as you can see I have cut into some different shapes. Then besides that you need a scissor, some colored sketch pens and Fevicol. Now let me explain what is the activity and how are you going to do that. Now children, in this activity we are going to learn some current affairs, or you can say that we are going to update ourselves with the knowledge and with the events which are going around the world as well as our country. So how are we going to carry on this activity? As you can see that I have cut a strip of the colored paper and I have given the heading current affairs. So first of all you are also going to do the same thing. Then what is the next step? As you can see that I have some colored papers I have cut into different shapes. This one, as you can see, I have written one current affair on this paper. That is, Mamata Banerjee became the Chief Minister of West Bengal for the third time. So similarly, you are also going to take colored paper which you have to cut into different shapes. I have taken only one color page. You can take different colored sheets which will make your project look more attractive. So you will be placing them like this on your A4 size sheet and then you can paste them. Now on one page we are going to write as many current affairs as we can write. According to your page size you can paste 4-5 strips and 4-5 different current affairs you will be pasting. So one I have done, rest you will be doing it. You have to do after watching the news, and 10 current affairs you have to write. You can use, for this purpose you can use 2 sheets of papers also, right? So, and these strips and color shapes, I am again telling you, you can use different colored papers also, or you can use the same color. It is your choice. So your work will be that as I have written one current affair, you have to write 10 current affairs after watching news for at least 3 to 4 days. Pick up 2 or 3 important news. You can write them on a shape and then you can paste them on the A4 size sheet. So you can use 2 sheets for that, and I think it is better that we cover up at least 10 current affairs or 10 important news which are going along in the country. So this activity you will be doing as a part of the work. I hope you will enjoy this, and this activity is definitely going to improve your general knowledge also. So do it with interest. Have a nice day.